Students, this is our third video of unit number 1, boundless nature. So we are going through our next activity. Some words says how something is done. Complete the dialogues below with the form of the words in the brackets. One has been done for you. Here one had been given to you. A foreigner was visiting a local farm. The farmer was showing him around the farm. We have the biggest fruit in the world, the foreigner said proudly. In the bracket, proud is given. Our orange look like football. Our orange look like football. He continued dash loud. In the bracket, what is given? Loud means you have to write it loudly. Loudly, loudly. What about bananas then? The farmer asks dash curiously means curious is given. Then you have to write there curiously. Curiously. They are as big as tower, replied the foreigner. Dash, what will come? Quick then, quickly. 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 As he was talking, he dash accident. Accident, what will come? Accidentally. Accidentally stumbled over a watermelon. Walk dash careful. What will come? Carefully. 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 The farmer remarks dash clever. What will come? Cleverly. 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 You just step on a grass. Okay. So now we are going through our activity number. God has provided herbs for the treatment of illness. Okay, first there was no medicine was there, then tablets was not there, nothing was there. But at that time, the people are using the herbs which God has prepared for us. Do you always need to rush to a doctor when you are feeling unwell or have some complaints like cough, cold or toothache? Can you get it treated by your mother or grandmother? Okay, when you had a cough or a cold, so you are hurriedly going to a doctor. If if the doctor is not available in a hospital, then what you will do? Okay, so at that time your turmeric milk or a kadha, right? So you have to just write over here the 10 to 20 lines about it. Describe in about 10 to 20 lines in a time when you were unwell and how you got better without seeing a doctor. So here are some remedies to help you remember. First one, cloves oil for toothache, hot soup for cold, mint leaves for indigestion. Okay, so from this you have to write it 10 to 20 lines. Okay. Here is our next activity number 9. Natural conservation, save the environment. How you will save your environment? This activity 9 is just for your understanding only. Okay, so cleaning up the environment may seem big to a problem, but if everyone plays their own role, then the whole world will become a cleaner place. Okay, if everyone works together to clean up the area or a place, it will clean up the whole world. We are never too young to help. We are never too young to help others. The step here can lead to clean and healthy environment for a better living. Join an environmental group. Here 7 steps are given. First one, recycle. Second one, conserve energy. Third, use earth-friendly product. You have to use earth-friendly product. Fourth, stay active. You have to stay active in all the situation. Fifth, use a bicycle. If you are using bicycle today, you can save the petrol for future also. Have a neighborhood cleanup. 7. Donate toys, books, CDs that you do not want anymore. If you had old books, toys, CD, if you are not using today, then you can give that to poor people also. Okay, so we are going through activity number 10. The area around your school has a problem of cleanliness like garbage dumping, barren lines, Kacha road or traffic issue. Around your school area there is a traffic problem, garbage dumping, barren road, Kacha road. Okay, so how you will solve the problem? From group of a student with a leader each and conduct a campaign to clean up the place. Write and report for your school magazine. So you just have to write the report on you for your school magazine. So just you try it by your own. I will give you this in PDF file. Okay, so here whichever activities that I will give you in a PDF file. So just complete all the activities in your Fairbook. Okay, so here we complete our chapter number first, boundless nature.